An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, western Lawrence County and western Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was detected 5 miles southwest of Pulaski and was moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Pulaski, New Wilmington, Bessemer. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at News Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana County, Ohio, and Lawrence County, Pennsylvania. An urgent weather message.